Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 11 taskbar transparent using a third-party app called Translucent TB. The built-in Windows 11 settings can't give you a completely transparent look, so we're going to use this third-party tool. It's a super simple process, so let's get started. First, we need to download the Translucent TB app. Open your web browser and in the search bar, enter Translucent TB. The official Microsoft Store link should appear at the top of the search results. Click on that link. Once you're on the Translucent TB page, click on the Download button. Then run the installer. After the installation is complete, the app will automatically apply the transparency effect to your taskbar. You can customize its transparency to your liking. Click the Translucent TB icon on your taskbar and select Continue. Then, in the System tray, right-click on the Translucent TB icon. You'll see a menu with several options for customizing your taskbar's appearance. Hover over Desktop. Here are some of the settings you can choose. Clear, this is the default setting and makes your taskbar fully transparent, as you can see. Then you have Normal and Opaque. Both give you a non-transparent taskbar. And lastly, there's Acrylic. It adds a frosted glass effect to your taskbar. Normally, you would want either clear or acrylic. You can also further customize your taskbar's appearance. You can choose to show or hide the taskbar border. You can also choose an accent color and adjust the opacity to make your taskbar more or less transparent. And when you're done, click the check button to save the changes. Translucent TB also allows you to customize your taskbar based on different conditions, like when a window is maximized or when you're on the Start menu. You can access these settings by right-clicking on the Translucent TB icon and selecting the desired options. And that's it! You've successfully made your Windows 11 taskbar transparent using Translucent TB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.